Hello, tech lovers. My name is Bumi, and I talk about digital tips for business owners, passive income, entrepreneur. If you want to become an entrepreneur or you want to start a business and you don't know the type of business you need to start up with, then this channel is for you because we teach you from the scratch on how to make passive income using some do-it-yourself tutorials with Canva. So if this connects to what you want to watch today, then why not subscribe, like, and share this video? Okay, what are you waiting for? Come join the tech family. Okay, thank you. So before I continue with today's topic, why not like this video, thank you, and please share it out. So today we'll be discussing, my topic today is going to be on how to create a wall art with Canva, and you're going to see how I'm going to do the design, how I'm going to put it on Smart Mockup, and how I'm also going to put it in a store called Koji app that accepts digital files or digital print. Okay, so without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic for today. But before we go into the main topic of today, if you've not heard of Koji before, with Koji is an app where I promote so much. Thank you, Koji, for promoting this video. Okay, if you don't need a website and you don't even need an e-commerce to put your product on Koji. And guess what? Koji is free. So what are you waiting for? Use my link in the description below. Watch this video to the end and you'll see the magic Koji is doing. You need to, and it also accepts physical products. You don't need a website. If you don't have a website, then you need Koji in your life, because even though a I build website for people, because a lot of people still come to me and tell me that, oh, websites, the cost is expensive, and that is why I'm here. I try as much as possible to come to your level and give you free stuff. You can try do it yourself, and the sky is your limit. So let's dive into my computer and let me stop blabbing. So see you soon. Let's move into the main tutorial. Hello, tech lovers. Once again, our topic is how to sell printable wall art. The full tutorial, then creating it into sizes and uploading it to, either you can upload it on your website if you have a website, you upload it on your Etsy shop if you want to create an Etsy shop. For the purpose of this video, the video is being promoted by with Koji, so we'll be using with Koji app to upload our printable wall art. So let's continue watching. Watch to the end and you see the magic Koji has for us. Okay, so now if you don't have a Canva, you don't know how to, you've not heard of Canva before, and you want to sign up with Canva, you can sign up with Canva using my link in the description box, and I'm also going to pin it in the comment section. When you use my link, you're going to get 30 days free trials, and you can opt out if you're not interested with Canva app again. So now let's go to the straight to the tutorials. You create design and you come to custom size design. We are going to be using this size, like this. We're going to be creating these sizes for the, and you can, it's not a must to do all these sizes. You can decide to sell a particular size and the decision is yours. So but in case you want to do different sizes of template of wall art, then this class is for you. Okay, so now I'm going to be using 16, the highest 16 by, first I'm going to change this to inches. So 16 by 20, and we'll create. So we'll go to elements and I will look for love, because I want to create, you can sell different types of wall art, but for this purpose, the purpose of this class, personally, I'm into motivational wall art, self-care, anything that has to do with positivity. That is what I sell. So you can It depends on your niche, what you want to sell. But to get that, I have also a video for ideas. So I'm going to link the video here so you can watch it for ideas on either Pinterest or st.com. A lot of people go to Pinterest and st to get ideas for their design. But I don't want this class to be too long. I already know what I want to do. So I'm going to come to Element and I'll search for Love Art Design. So I'll look for a very beautiful art design. There is a graphics that is very nice. So I can choose these two people, crop it. And first, before you can use a product or you can use a design in Canva, you have to check if it's free to use. Okay, so can you see it says free, so we can use it. Okay, so that you don't get copyright or something on it. Okay, so oh, I deleted. Okay, I think this is nice. We can do something like this. I'm going to choose this because what I'm about to design is about love. So I can crop it here and put it in the middle. Then I come here, text, and I write the text. I enlarge this. And I'm going to write my motivational words here. So if we all do one random act of kindness daily, we just might set the world in the right direction. Okay, so I'm going to change the front of this. I'll change the front to this, right? Or I use this. So I changed the font. I used this Anaho. Then I want to make my direction outstanding. So I put South Australian. I downloaded the font. If you want to learn how to download the font in Canva, I'm going to put the link up here so you can see it. So now I want to add gradient. I want to make it more unique. So I'm going to click here, go to element and add gradient. Just gradient. So you can choose what you want. So I'm going to choose something like this. So I'm going to change it. So I change my gradients. I'm going to change the color also. So I'm going to put our direction back, enlarge it a bit, and I think I'm going to change the color. Then I will come here to effect. I want to brighten this color, this direction. Come here, holding it a bit. Yeah, I think this is okay. I'm going to change some colors here. Yeah, I think the black is okay. This. So now this is our simple design, okay? So you watch what I do next. So I'm going to download this. You come to share, you click on download, and I'm going to download as JPEG. You can download as PEG, as PNG, but I'm going to download as JPEG, and I'm going to increase the size of the quality to the last, okay? And I'm going to download. So now I'm going to come here. I'm going to resize this again. You come here, you resize it, you put another, let's put 11 by 14, okay, inches, and you resize. So when you resize, this is this, So we'll do the same thing. So I'm going to do the rest with the remaining inches, like 5 by 7, 8 by 10, 18 by 24. So you download. I'm going to save it as JPEG also, and I'm going to increase the quality and download. If you watched it up to this time, thank you for watching. I've done, because of my time, I don't want this class to be too long. I've done something like this for classrooms. These are some of the jobs I've done before, my printable wall arts, and these are my words. These are all the words, all these things you can find on my website, okay? They are not on my Koji shop yet, but you can find them on my website. But all these are my designs. Then this is the mock-up, the smart mock-up, how it came out. Can you see? Daily affirmations. Look, keep on going. But because of for these tutorials, we are just going to do one wall art. So I already resized this. So I'm going to download. I'm going to do everything. I will do the same with all the inches, okay? So let me do it, then I come back to you guys. So I'm going to put all this in a file. So watch me. Desktop. I have this folder I want to use. Self-care. Then I add. So I'm going to save everything like that. We'll be right back. So I saved it on desktop. So this is it. So can you see it? This file, you compress it to zip file. Okay, it's the zip file that we're going to upload in our Koji shop. Okay, so now let's go back to the tutorials. So now we'll go to smart mockups. We want to make this a beautiful mockup. So you'll find your smart mockup at the front of your own page. Okay, so we have different mockups here that we can use. Different mockups you can use for this video. So I'm going to use this. So it says let's get started. So I'm going to upload my design. So you can adjust the image. You can fill. So I think it's more presentable now. Then we'll save the mockup. So I can download the design because I want to do something with it. Smart mockup is free to use. So we're going to do the next thing we're going to do something now. We're going to redesign this, and we're going to let people know that they can download the printables. They can download it with Canva. So we'll just put a box here and upload in our Koji account. So this is the Koji app that we're talking about. You can monetize your bio and everything. You can monetize anything with Koji as a content creator. But that's not where we're going to. So you can see this place, digital file front. So that you can monetize here. Okay, but I don't want this video to be too long. So now let's just go straight to digital file front. So this is it. This is a preview of what you can put. Yeah, this is a preview. So we're not using that. So now we can use Koji, like this digital front, is sell any digital file, guide, printables, courses, Canva templates, social media prompts, audiobooks, ebooks, Notion templates, Lightroom presets, sound effect and sample packs, images and videos, PLR articles, InDesign palettes, stock photos, 3Ds model, Instagram story templates, spreadsheet templates, Google Doc templates, copyright templates, and more. Digital Files Storefront is a new app in Koji App Store and lets you easily sell all your digital products in one place. Products are listed in the storefront in a variety of layouts, and each digital product has a dedicated product page that include images and details of your product. Additionally, this app features a dashboard that breaks down metrics of sales per product and price point. This gives you a high level overview of your sales to find out which product sells better than others. Okay, because it's a monetized is a free app, so you set your price. Any transaction that you get on this app, Koji gets 5% per transaction. Customer pays seamlessly with any credit or debit card. Okay, so it's very easy to download, very easy to follow. Okay, so now we're going to add this. So this is our digital file store. Okay, so you're going to upload you this is our banner, right? And we already put the title. Description is optional, but you can put your description. Then you go to next, and I already uploaded this. Okay, and for the purpose of this class, you can create your own by going to the stuff digital file front, and you upload what we downloaded. You can put it, this is what we downloaded. You can put more than these pictures there, and voila, you start putting your you start selling. You can place it in any amount of money you want. Okay, then so I'll give you a preview of it. I uploaded my stuff, my Wallart, my smart mockup. All these are smart mockup. Okay, they are all smart mockup. I added the names and include your descriptions. And this is where you upload your zip file. Okay, and you can name your price. You can put $1, you can put $5, you can put $7, depending on what you want to sell. And this is the price I peg on it. You can visit my store and I save it. So for this class is getting, I'm going to complete the remaining and put the additional store here. So I hope with these tutorials that I gave you today, I hope you'll be able to create a digital printable wall art for yourself. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.